This video here we're going to be looking at the interior angles, or the sum of the interior angles in triangles. So the key points here is, and I'll get you to write these down, is that the angle sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I'll get you to draw this representation down in your book so you get an understanding of what we mean by the different interior angles. But they always add up to 180 degrees, no matter what the shape, no matter what type of triangle, they always add up to 180 degrees. The other important bit of information that you need to make sure you understand is if one side of a triangle is extended, so here we have this triangle and then we've extended one line out, an exterior angle is formed. In the diagram shown opposite, D, B, and C, so that angle is the exterior angle. The angle DB and C is supplementary. Now we've looked at this before, supplementary and complementary. Make sure you know what that means. Supplementary to ABC. Supplementary refers, the trick was supplementary straight line, means that it needs to add up to 180. So this angle here, now that we've created an exterior angle, this needs to add up to 180. We're going to look at that a bit more detail as we go through these chapters here. But first I'm going to make sure that, can you please make sure you draw that diagram down in those full definitions and explanations, because we're going to go start to elaborate these in a bit more detail as we go through. So let's put these into practice now. We'll actually trial these out using our understanding of triangles. So we're going to go with question A here, where we need to find the value of A in these triangles. So we know that A, B, and C will equal 180. So I have two angles that I know. So it's 60 plus 95 plus A, which we don't know, will equal 180 degrees. So we can use a bit of algebra here. So we want to break this down a bit more. So if I take 60 from both sides, I'll have A plus 95 equals 120. And then if I take 95 from both sides, that will leave me with my answer for A. So 95 take away from both sides will give me 25. So the angle for A in this case equals 25. Now let's move on to number B here. Okay, we're going to do question B now, and I know, using the information from the previous videos, I know that this triangle here is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so what that means is that the two sides, as I can indicate here, the two sides and the two interior angles are the same. So this angle here will be 70. So I just need to add these two together to help me find out what A is from there. So using algebra again, I have A plus 70, which is angle B, plus 70, which is angle C, will equal 180. Again, using my algebra, I can take these both away from that side, which will make A equals 40 degrees. So basically you're trying to manipulate, work out what the different angles are and find out what is left over in regards to 180. Let's move over now to using exterior angles. So using this shape here, find the size of the exterior angle X in this diagram. So what I want to do here, I know that this will be a supplementary angle, so these two here need to add up to 180. I don't know what A is, so I need to work out that first. So the way that we'll do that would be, I know that this shape here means that this is 90 degrees because it is a right angle. So A plus 90 plus 62 will equal 180. Therefore, A in this case will equal 28. Okay, now that I know A, I can sort of work out X by making sure they both add up to 180. So therefore, X equals 180 minus 28, which will give me X angle equals 152. So using the exterior angle, you need to go through two steps. A, find out what the unknown variable is, and then work out what the other one is, and that will get you through those steps. Make sure you have these key information written down. So A, you know the interior angles equal 180, and when an exterior angle is created, they create a supplementary angle, which also adds up to 180. Thanks, guys.